how much should you actually spend on leather conditioners? It's confusing when you see options at every price point, and it's hard to know which ones are worth it. Let's dig deeper and find out which leather conditioners really deliver value and protection for your items.
Product number 1, Lexol All Leather Conditioner. This one caught my attention because it's only $11.99 and claims to be multi-purpose for everything from car seats to shoes and furniture. If you want to protect and maintain your leather's appearance, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Lexol's fast-absorbing formula means it won't leave your leather feeling greasy or slippery, which is crucial when you're dealing with items like car interiors or jackets. It absorbs quickly and helps restore flexibility to prevent cracking. Plus, it's been bought over 2,000 times just this past month, so a lot of people trust it. Now, there were a few complaints about it not working as effectively on heavily worn leather, but here's the thing. If your leather is in rough shape, you might need a more intensive treatment first. For regular maintenance though, it's definitely a solid choice. This is perfect for you if you want a straightforward conditioner for everyday leather items. Skip this one if you're looking for something that can revive extremely damaged leather. For the price, you're getting great value for maintaining your leather goods.
Product number 2, Chemical Guys Vintage Leather Conditioner. The Chemical Guys Vintage Leather Conditioner priced at $19.97. This caught my eye because it specifically claims to nourish and protect both natural and synthetic leathers. If you want deep conditioning for your leather items, this one's worth considering. The deep conditioning formula penetrates the pores of the leather to restore softness and flexibility while enhancing color richness. This is key if your leather is starting to look a bit dull. It helps prevent cracking and fading, which is essential for longevity. Plus, it has a fresh scent that many users appreciate. On the downside, some users mentioned it leaves a slight residue if not buffed properly. But honestly, this is pretty common with conditioners. Just make sure to follow the application instructions and you'll be fine. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable conditioner that also smells nice. Skip this one if you prefer a product that dries completely without any residue. For the results it delivers, I think it's a worthwhile investment. Product number 3, Obanoff's Heavy Duty LP Leather Conditioner. This one stands out because it's designed for extreme conditions, making it perfect for outdoor gear or work boots. If your leather needs serious protection, this is one to check out. What's great about this conditioner is that it's made from natural beeswax, which means it not only conditions, but also creates a water-repellent barrier. It penetrates leather to keep it moisturized, while also resisting scuffing and premature cracking. This could double the lifespan of your leather items, which is impressive. The downside, some users found it a bit too greasy for certain applications. But here's the thing, it's meant to be heavy duty, so it might not be ideal if you're looking for something lightweight. For heavy use though, it definitely shines. This is perfect for you if you have leather gear that faces harsh conditions. Skip this one if you only need a light conditioner for everyday use. Given its protective qualities, it's definitely worth the price. Product number 4, Apple brand leather cleaner and conditioner kit, priced at $16.99. I was drawn to this because it's specifically designed for high-end leather, like handbags and shoes. If you want to keep your luxury items looking brand new, this is a solid choice. This kit not only cleans, but also conditions, replenishing the natural oils in your leather to prevent drying and cracking. It's safe for all colors, which means you won't have to worry about darkening your favorite items. Many professionals in the fashion world recommend it too, which says a lot. However, a few users mention that it doesn't work well on suede and nubuck, which is a bummer if that's what you have. But honestly, if you're using it on standard leather, it performs exceptionally. This is perfect for you if you have luxury leather that needs gentle care. Skip this one if you're looking to condition suede or nubuck. For its quality and effectiveness, I think it's a good investment for anyone serious about leather care. Product number 5, Obanoff's Heavy Duty LP Leather Preservative, priced at $12.99. This is a smaller 4-ounce version, but don't let that fool you. If your leather is sun-faded or cracked, this could be just what you need. This preservative is crafted from natural beeswax and oils, which means it rejuvenates leather while also protecting it from water and chemicals. It's designed to penetrate deep into the leather, which is crucial for long-term preservation. If you're in a tough environment, this is definitely a great option. Some users did complain about the waxy feel it can leave behind, but here's the catch. That's part of what protects the leather. For those who want more of a natural feel, this might not be for you. But for those needing serious care, the benefits are clear. This is perfect for you if you have outdoor gear or boots that need preservation. Skip this one if you want something that doesn't leave a residue. For the protective features, I think it's reasonably priced.
So, to wrap it up, Lexol is great for everyday use. Chemical Guys offers a nice deep conditioning experience. Obanoff's heavy-duty LP is perfect for tough conditions. Apple brand is a go-to for luxury items, and Obanoff's preservative is for serious preservation needs. Each has its strengths, so choose based on what you need most for your leather.